Hi, welcome to my channel. Today we're making fried rice. The ingredients that we're using for this recipe, I'm going to leave them on the description box. First, you're going to wash the meat that you're going to use. I'm using kidney. You can use liver. Wash them, spice it, and then cook. After it's done, cut them in cubes and keep aside. The next step is to wash the rice and also fry the onions. And once the onion is cooked, add the washed rice, fry for 5 to 6 minutes. And the reason I do that is that it gives it a very unique taste. So after that, add water and the rest of the condiments or the ingredients. Add small water, and then once it comes to a boiling point, reduce it to low heat and then cook until the rice is well cooked. Mix everything together, and that is fried rice for you. The taste for this fried rice is unique because I fried first and also used Ghana pepper, which gives it a very nice taste. At this point, if you haven't liked or comment or subscribe, go ahead and do that for more videos to come. I really appreciate those who have subscribed or those who have been following me, but I will also appreciate it more if you can leave on the comment section where you're watching from and when you subscribe, so I can personally thank you for that. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'm going to see you on my next video. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye.